Hello, and welcome to our Webs.io tutorials. Webs.io is the leading provider of big web data that helps solution providers easily turn web data into customer value. In this video, we'll show you how to use our eCommerce Reviews API, and more specifically, how to add new requests for collecting product data. Before we go ahead, it's important to note that today, we'll only go over the first step you'll need to take to start accessing product and reviews data. We covered the other 3 steps in separate videos. So let's begin with the first step, defining which URLs you'd like to collect data on. Please note that for this tutorial, we will be using Postman to help visualize each request. Let's start by visiting the Add New Search Endpoint URL. Next, you'll need to enter your token to access the endpoint. Then, add the necessary input parameters, which are method, domain, and value. Method refers to the search method that is used to crawl product data. In this video, we will be using product URL, the specific URL of a product. Please note that we have 2 other search methods that can be used to collect products. To explore the category and keyword search methods we offer, click on the link in the comment section below. Next, enter the domain you would like to collect data from. For this tutorial, we will use target.com. Now, to add the value parameter, copy the URL you want product data collected on from your browser. For this tutorial, we will collect data on the product page of the Apple AirPods. Once the value has been pasted, you can click Send to send your request. You will then see a status code corresponding to the request you sent, along with a method ID to label the request sent. This is it. You've completed the Add New Search step. Remember, please allow time for the data collection to be completed. Ready to move to the next step? Then check out our video on how to view product data you've collected, to learn how to see the collected data from your search requests. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.